Okay, class, please stand up for the prayer. So let's bow your head and
With the person. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Dear Heavenly Father, as we gather here today, we invite your presence into this classroom. Lord, bless each and every student here as we embark on another day of learning. Please give us clear minds and open hearts so we can grasp the knowledge and lessons set before us. Amen. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Good afternoon, students. Please stand all good. I'm teacher Kathy Duarte.
And I am Johnny Lingana. But before we start the discussions,
Can you please pick up pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your chair in
3, 2, 1.
Okay, sit down. Okay, thank you.
And we have a reminder or rules in these classrooms that are
Be prepared, be attentive.
no using phone during the discussions and sit properly. Who would like to share of what have you learned, of what you have learned about the last meeting of the discussions?
Anyone? Okay, Uncle? Yes, can you please stand up? Okay, very good, Uncle. Can you please give Uncle 5 claps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank
Who
you.
else? Okay, class. So, prepared 1/4 sheet of paper, and we have a quiz in this afternoon. So,
So you have 1 minute to answer. The direction is write PB if the sentence is a passive voice. If not, write AB if the sentence is active voice.
so shall we start now? So, in 3, 2, 1.
Your timer is
Timer starts. Okay, class, time is over. Please pass your paper in front. So, okay, class, we have another activity. So, let's play a game. Are you ready?
Yes.
okay.
Okay, but before that, the activity is the name of icebreaker game. So, the class will be divided into 2 groups.
Each group member should participate in the activity.
Each group will select 5 members to be first players of the game.
The first 5 members of each group will form a line and face to other 5 members.
If the teacher says "oh," the players will tap her or him head. If the teacher says "to," the players will hold her or his waist. And if the teacher says "for," the players will get the prize.
However, gets the prize first, their group will receive 2 points each.
And another first 5 will do the same game. Okay, class, did you get my points? I guess you get my points. So Miss Duarte can get your or can record your scores.
So I will be the one who will record your score in group 1 and group 2.
So, okay, group 1 will stay here and group 2 will here. And so form your line right now. Okay, group 1 can get the highest score. Miss Jan Duarte. Thank you for you participate. So please settle down right now because we have an activity, another activity. So okay, class. So we have done this activity, icebreaker. So let's move the another activity. So activity game. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you are. So in this activity, what we call is choose me. So the rules in this activity is the class will remain in their respective groupings.
Each member should have a sign number.
And also, the teacher will randomly pick a number. The first per number will be the first who answer.
The teacher will read the sentence that is flashed on the screen, and the first per number guess what is the correct preposition to be used to complete the sentence.
And also, if the teachers will say 1, 2, 3, the players who will touch the table in her table, or he or she will first their answer.
If both of them get the correct answer, the teacher will say correct, and their group will be received 3 points. But if only one player got the wrong answer, there is 1 point.
And if the first number is done, then the other members will do the same. And also, so Miss Duarte can record your score, right, in this activity, what we call is choose me. So, also, please respective your groupings plus these groups.
So I will be the one who will pick the number. The first pair number is number 8. Can you please proceed to the front?
Where is the question? No, I did not use sleeping because I was there long only 2 hours.
Okay, group 1. What is your answer?
4.
Okay, let me check the correct answer. That is wrong. The correct answer is 4.
Yay, very good.
Good job, group 1. So I am the next who picked the number right now. So I pick these numbers from 2 group the pairs of 9. Pair of 9. Is that correct? Okay. So here is example. So Mary has been in the United States long 2 years. Okay, group 2. What is your answer? Who will answer this question?
2.
Is that correct? Okay, let me check. Let me check the correct of the answer. This choice number 2. Wrong. The final answer is 4.
Don't worry that you will have received 1 point. Even your answer is wrong.
Yeah, that's correct. Next, pair of the
The third pair number is number 6.
So,
Does
does
this
this bus go
go
long
belongs
Central City.
Okay, group 1, what is your answer?
2.
Let me check the correct answer. It's 2.
Yes, 2.
Is that correct? Okay. There is the answer. Okay, very good. Group 1. So the correct answer is 2. So what we call the one? Does this bus go to Central City? Okay, very good. Another. Can you please speak, Mr. Marty? Sorry.
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay. There is the question. Sorry. So, my friend stayed at our house last 2 weeks. Okay, group 2. What is your answer? Who
4.
will be answered this question?
4, sir, 4.
4. So, is that correct? My friend stayed at our house for 2 weeks. 2
Yes.
weeks. Okay, let me check the correct answer. There is the answer. Okay, very good, group 2. So the final answer is 4. So, my friend stayed at our house for 2 weeks. Okay, very good, everyone. 1 is Marty.
Number 3.
Number 3 can stand here in front. Okay. Where is your choices? So, my watch says it's 15 minutes blank for right now. What is your answer?
Oh.
1.
Okay, group 1.
Oh.
Off.
Yes.
Is that correct? My watch
Yes.
says it's 15 minutes of 4 right now.
Yes.
Okay,
Don't
let
know.
me check the correct answer.
Yes, thank you.
The answer is O. Okay, very good. Group 1. So, my watch says it's 15 minutes of 4 right now. Very good. So, did you enjoy it? The activity today's afternoon?
Yes, I enjoy.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for participating in this activity.
What have you observed?
What have you observed in this activity? What we have or what our discussions in this afternoon?
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Very good, Echo. Can you please clap?
Okay. Here are objectives. So, at the end of the discussions, the students are expected to identify the different prepositions, use prepositions in construct sentences describing a place, time, and directions. This objective not only targets the cognitive aspects of understanding preposition, but also emphasizes the emotional and attitudinal aspects. So, what is prepositions? Okay, Mr. Angkog, can you please, what you have learned, what is prepositions?
Sorry, sir, I cannot sure. The abbreviation is
Do
correct.
you have? Okay,
A
okay.
preposition, it is a part of speech in which this word connect and used to another word in a sentence. So let's say specifically a noun or a noun phrase to other word in the sentence. Or same ng kahulugan, pinagkaibang nga lang ay nakadepende kung saan, kung anong mga salita ang or pangungusap ang pinagsama-sama.
Thank you, Ms. Duarte. So, let's see. A preposition is a word or group words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show directions, time, place, relationships, or to introduce an object. Example, by, in, at, on, of, to, with, above, behind, over, across, and etc.
If we tell the direction, place, or other details depending how to use in a sentence, but take note the word preposition of for or to or of, to, and for can also function in or as a conjunction. Synonyms to the word. To the word.
To the words.
To the word.
The functions of prepositions of, to, and for. So the first functions of the preposition is of. So used to indicate what does it show. Example, the picture of a palace. Next is used to indicate the relationship between the color. Example, the color of the sky changed from blue to orange. So, and also the second functions of the prepositions is to. So, used to indicate destinations. Example of this is, I am going to school. We are going to Japan. So, the preposition to used to indicate time. Example of this is, it's 10 to 9. Another example is, it's quarter to 3. So, in British, so the format of telling time is, it's 30 to 6 5:30 o'clock before or 30 minutes before to 6 p.m. Next is used to indicate distance. So example of this, it's about 10 kilometers from my house to the office. Second is, it's about 5 miles from my house to the market. And also, next is used to indicate comparing. Example of this, I prefer reading to writing. Second is, I prefer eating to cooking. And also, is used to indicate giving. So, example of this to indicate giving is, I give my laptop to my brother. Next is, I give this gift to my sister because it's her birthday. Next, used to indicate motive or reason. Example of this is, I came here to see you. Next is, I came here to comply my lucky. Next, used to indicate benefits. Example of this is, yogurt is good for digestion. And second is, fruits and vegetables are good for your health. Next, used to indicate period of time. The example of this is, I have been blogging for almost 2 years. And the second is, I have been teaching for 6 years. And the third functions of the preposition is the prepositions for. So Miss Duarte can discuss about the prepositions for.
Preposition for is used to indicate schedule, but I'm sorry for the po, it is supposed to be scheduled, not a time. So, for example of use to indicate schedule is, I will schedule our next session for next Tuesday. Or, excuse me, I set up our interview for May 4, 2024. The second function of preposition for is used to indicate other event. For example, do you agree with what our date said for our upcoming? So,
Do you agree?
preposition for is used to indicate other event. For example, do you agree with what our date said for our upcoming party? And the third function of preposition for is used to indicate doing something or someone, for someone. For example, could you please carry these books for me? Or, and are you willing to paint the classroom for the learners? For doing something or for someone is, would you like to express that you are doing something or for someone? Or tinutukoy na may gagawin ka para tumulong sa kanila. Preposition for is used to indicate motive or reason. For example, let's go out for a drink. So, may rason siya kung bakit siya nagsabi nito na let's go out. So, ang rason niya ay para mag-drink. An example, let's move to the other country for our own safety. Ang rason din niya sa pag-move to other country is para sa kanilang kaligtasan. Preposition for is used to indicate function. For example, ladle is a big spoon used for scooping soup.
So in class, we have an activity to constructing sentences ending with one. So the directions in a one-half crosswise make two sentences using each the prepositions of 2 and 4. So I will give you 3 minutes to answer this activity. So okay, did you have an one-half crosswise? Okay, good. So let's start now. The timer starts. Okay. Ball pens up. Okay. Okay.
Can you please pass your paper in front? Okay, thank you.
Please keep quiet.
So, what is preposition?
Okay, Mr. Anton. I know that you know what is preposition because we discussed about the prepositions right now. So, these answers.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Anton, for your answers with our questions. So, next question is to indicate the use of movement downwards of 2 and 4. Okay, Mr. Bahura, what is your answer in this our questions? Okay. Okay, that's good, Mr. Bahura. Thank you so much for answering my question. So, okay, Miss Duarte.
So, in this lesson, what is the importance of preposition in our daily life? Anyone?
Anyone? Mr. Mundal?
Can you please stand up, Mr. Bunda? What is the importance of preposition in
Our daily life.
Very good, Mr. Bunda.
Thank you for all your good cooperations in this our class. So, next slide. So, the integrations of in this discussions is evaluating. The students can demonstrate an understanding of prepositions and be able to construct sentences using the prepositions of 2 and 4. They can also apply the functions of purposes of prepositions of 2 and 4.
Horizontal, this topic is also applicable in Filipino 7, which is the preposition is also called pangkukol. This topic is related to your level of study in class in English 8 grammar, which is one of the parts of speech. Synthesis is, so what is it? Preposition and indicate the use of 2 and 4. And that's all. Thank you and
Yes. Thank you, students, for listening our discussions in this afternoon. And thank you also, Mr. Bill Morris. And that would be all. Thank you.